Hi everyone! In this workshop, I want to show you my workflow and some techniques to create visual effects for video games. Through these lessons, I'm going to show you my procedural approach to create simple props and a RBD simulation in Houdini, and my usual workflow to draw a frame-by-frame VFX animation in Photoshop. And finally, we will create materials and Niagara particle systems in order to build our short cinematic in Unreal Engine.